You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this lovely party fried rice. This is gizzard fried rice. Yes, you need your chicken, add your ginger and garlic paste. This is pepper, fresh pepper. So stir very well. Just sprinkle generously if you're a pepper lover, but the funniest thing is this pepper is not hot at all. This is rosemary. Sprinkle your rosemary, thyme, curry powder, and any other beautiful chicken seasoning of your choice. This is bay leaf. Yes, here I have only kitchen glory in my kitchen, so I decided to use only kitchen glory for now. So if you have Mivina, Benny, kitchen glory, you can mix the three. It's superb and it's beautiful. Take your time and spice the way you love, and you go in with your knorr cubes. You can go in with Maggi cube. This is Maggi kitchen seasoning also. This extra pepper for hotness. Like I said, that pepper is not hot at all. So this is my knorr cube, and you mix thoroughly. Sprinkle a little salt. Mix thoroughly, and you allow for hours, for overnight if you want. If you want to cook immediately, no problem. At least allow for 30 to 1 hour before you start cooking. But for the best result, you can leave for hours or overnight. So straight to my heat. I have to cook this on for little time because I am using soft chicken and I want to also grill it. I just want the ingredients to enter a little bit. These onions, I blended the onions, I forgot, so I have to pour it lastly and I incorporate. Like I said, I love testing my own down here, so I test to know whether I'm okay. If I'm not okay, I go in with extra spices for extra hotness. Yes. So right now I'm taking it straight to the heat, and I'll cook for a little while before I will start grilling it. All we need from this chicken is the sweet water. Yeah, the chicken stock. That is what we are looking for from this chicken. Like I said, I'm cooking with soft chicken, so I will not be cooking for a long time. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. If this is your first time, please don't watch only this video and go away, or explore my channel. I have more than 500 videos for you to enjoy. Yes, here I have my gizzard. I'm also spicing it just the same way I spiced my chicken. Yes, I need to. This chicken is ready. You can see some are even trying to scatter. So the chicken is done. I need to remove it from the water, and like I said, this is my baking paper. So I got brown one, so I don't even know they have baking paper brown one till I I purchased one. So it's still okay, just the same as the white one. So just place your chicken and send straight to your oven and grill. So a well spiced gizzards. Some people love using liver. It's okay, liver is good, but this time I try a different thing altogether and a different taste altogether. Here are the chickens. Well, these are all the sweet toppings, yeah, veggies that we are using for the fried rice. Right now, after parboiling my rice in this neat pot of water, I will add my meat stock, yes, with my fried rice pies, and I will add the rice as it's boiling. What you're seeing right there, the yellow, is the sweet corn. I have to cook it a little. Even the green peas, cook it a little. Sweet corn 3 minutes, sweet corn for 5 minutes, and the green peas for 3 minutes. This is the fried rice. You can see it. Like I said, is the main thing is soaking your chicken very well, spicing it up very well. That's the water we need. I'm using Wonder fried rice spice. It's a good deal, and this is basmati rice. For here in the UK, basmati is a very good one for fried rice. A fried rice is ready. This is a quick fix. Right now I need the pot, so for the next cooking, because I'm making this for up to 60 to 70 people or more. So, and I want it to just be delicious, seriously delicious. This is me adding the rice for the second batch. Yeah, so it's time to start frying the rice. A little oil to my frying pan. I have my onions, and I will stir, and I'll start going in with the veggies. Carrot first, the others will follow. So right now I'll sprinkle just a pinch of salt to taste. Yes, for the veggies. As for this rice, the rice is ready and ready to consume. I don't like my rice half done when it comes to fried rice. I love my rice done. As you can see, the pan was not enough, so I need to transfer to a bigger pot because this rice is big. I can't handle that little frying pan. So right in the pot, after frying a little the veggies, I'll add in the rice. You can see the face. Oh my god, this is looking delicious already. This is the best ever. When you're going to party, they serve you this beautiful fried rice, you know you really enjoyed fried rice. That's just the truth. When you want to prepare fried rice, do it and let it be a hit. This is so lovely and yummy. Look at that, it's looking beautiful. Just fry a little and you remove. Just the same process, I'll still repeat again. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed if you're new? If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you get an alert. Subscription is definitely free. I mean, it is totally free. So I'll add vegetable oil, a pinch of salt, and my onions. I'll go in with the carrot and other veggies will follow. Fry a little bit, and I'll introduce my gizzard. Yes, a bit of the gizzard. This gizzard, after cooking, I grilled it and I cut into pieces, tiny pieces, as you can see. And that is that. I don't want to fry anything this time around. It's good to fry, but this time around I don't want to fry. Sprinkle your rice and you take your time and turn generously. Oh my god, this is the best fried rice ever. You see this green peas back in Nigeria, buying it is something else, but here is everywhere. Green peas is everywhere and very cheap. So if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Like my video. Oh, look at that, look at this beauty. Like my video, and like I said, I have a lot of videos, more than 500 recipes for you to try, and my recipes are well detailed. So feel free to explore my channel, and don't forget to share to your friends and family that loves food, that loves cake, that loves pastry. This is the right place, and I believe you will enjoy a whole lot here. Look at that beauty. Keep frying and frying and frying till you are sure it's ready. Look at that, looking beautiful already. So this is our chicken. It's time to start packing. We're able to pack up to 55 pieces for the church, and the remaining was for the house visitors. Look at that beauty. I'm happy when I know you're also happy and you enjoy the video. Like and share. Bye.